Probably. Why is it selling any games?
What kind of
Like video games? Yeah.
Shoot, I probably have a bunch upstairs. Like what kind of console?
Any console.
If you don't see a price, just say, hey, what about?
Okay. No problem.
I don't know why they're using cars.
Posters. That's crap. Are these good?
I knew you'd be cold.
It being
Yeah, May and it be cold.
May, and I have to wear gloves because I'm cold.
Kenny Rogers. Free. These little cassettes are free too? The cassettes are
Sure,
free?
with the hat.
Okay.
Here's a bag if you need it. I wasn't supposed to.
Okay, cool.
Um,
Ooh, albums.
nothing rock and rolly I can take in there.
That's alright. I don't know, you're profiling me. I might like jazz.
I know, yeah, sorry. Most people like the classics anyway.
Yeah. Linda Ronstadt's good.
Yeah, oh, I see. I didn't even know that was in there.
See?
Yeah, my parents listened to that on 8-track when I was a kid.
Johnny. Crystal Gale.
Okay, my husband went through this yesterday. I didn't know it was in there.
There's a couple of decent things.
I saw some Frank Sinatra, some Johnny Mathis, and that's what I figured it all was.
Yeah, it's mostly before my time, for sure.
Fan.
Gotcha. What's in here?
Those are like cartridges. So that's a multi-disc player.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
And the disc player
Interesting.
there. It turns on. I haven't put any disc in there to play it, but I know it works.
So and these are the cartridges, and you
Yeah,
put
so
them.
you just
So you
put
can just grab a new cartridge,
Yeah,
put it in, you
whatever,
got 6 new
the genre
CDs.
is. Classics
That's
one,
cool.
jazz one, rock and roll another, you know, whatever.
How much is all that stuff?
I don't know. Make me an offer, honestly.
Ah.
I don't care.
I don't know. Let's see. This is $2. So what if I give you 8 for that, and then we're at 10?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Because it's all going to the recycler.
Yeah, I gotcha.
This is after the estate sale stuff.
Yeah, this is what's left over.
You know.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I'll play around with it. It seems fun. I always like a new toy.
I know. Bitter. My husband's the same way. Too many toys.
Yeah. Hopefully I don't destroy that little chicken bowl before I get it back to my wife.
Oh, I know. There's just so many like.
Yeah,
things.
little
My-
chips
my,
and stuff.
My father-in-law literally was a bull in the china closet. when it
Really?
came to rinsing the dishes. Somewhere between rinsing and putting it in the dishwasher, they somehow hit the countertop always.
And he just broke them every time?
Yeah, so.
That's an expensive hobby.
Way it goes.
All right. Well, thank you guys.
Have a great rest of your weekend.
You too.
Yeah.
Got a couple people already. Yeah, it's finally getting rid of your phones, huh?
We've had them for a year or so, and
Yeah.
hadn't had a yard sale while with coronavirus.
Oh, yeah.
That's popped up.
Yeah.
That's just broken right here.
Okay.
So
That's
like,
interesting.
everything works perfect. It's
What
just,
is it? Oh, it's a waffle maker.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
Yeah, I just took it out so people could actually see that.
Yeah.
I was just gonna screw something on top,
Yeah.
and then wife's like, just get rid of it.
You guys got any video games?
No.
Kind of just browsing your inventory.
Yeah, it's mostly like
Yeah.
this stuff here.
Yeah, I figured.
They have a lot of little kid stuff and miscellaneous. Do you resell online or?
Sometimes, yeah. I should check to see if there's more in your neighborhood. It's weird. I only saw your address on the thing.
Oh,
That's odd.
she might. I mean, yeah, I don't know
Maybe she just put yours.
where everybody else posted it. But,
Oh, those are nice shoes.
yeah, they're brand new. It just didn't fit me, and I missed the return window.
I do that all the time.
So it's like you
Yeah.
can tell they've never been used.
Yeah.
They're trail shoes.
What are you looking for on those?
25.
Probably
I think I
fair.
paid like 70 for them
Yeah.
on sale or whatever.
Morning. Where do you? You got a lot of those.
We had them for work, and then we don't use them for work anymore. They're to convert the old.
Does it not work anymore?
No, they work. We didn't use them for work anymore.
RF video modulator.
Basically, to convert an old style red, white, yellow to coax for TVs that didn't.
I wonder
have
if
more for a TV
yeah.
that didn't have inputs.
Well, how much are you looking for on those? I might be able to sell them.
$2.
$2 a piece.
Yeah. Might even have more.
14, 16, 18. You install cable or phones? I had one of those when I was a cable guy. Back in the day.
We used to connect our equipment to the phones.
Yeah.
So we'd have to, like at someone's house.
Yeah.
So we'd have to use the test to see if their phones worked.
Yeah, I think I used to have a little buddy.
Yeah.
That's funny. What do you think on this pile and these two? $40.
Sure.
Okay.
If you're still driving around, we'll be more set up by the
Yeah.
time you
Yeah.
come back.
Yeah, I'll keep hunting. Like you said, there's other sales, so I'm gonna go check and see if I find anything, and then I'll come back. Give you guys a little time, but hopefully you don't get bombarded too bad. You added some stuff. Like, hey, is that a surfboard? What else you got?
Just throwing stuff out here. My wife
I don't know if I need a surfboard, but I had to come look at it. It's cool.
It's been sitting up in the rafters. For
Well, we're
years
so
now.
far from anywhere to surf is the
That's what I
problem.
mean. We
These
used to
are
live
nice.
down by Greenville.
Nice gloves.
Yeah, and then wife and we get rid of the motorcycle when we had our first one, so
Huh?
those have been
Well,
sitting
probably wise. Probably wise. You still in any games?
what kind of
Like video games? Yeah.
Shoot, I probably have a bunch upstairs. Like what kind of console?
Any console?
Let me go look.
Yeah, I'll make sure no one steals baby clothes.
Got the dad mobile. It's gotta be cool.
Exactly, yeah. Some of those bigger trucks can fit kids. Those are big crew cabs. But I'm driving in a minivan. Sorry, what's that?
This is stuff I should have did before the garage sale, but I can find a lot of stuff that I can sell. There's a guitar in there.
Oh, nice.
I don't have many. Most of my games I just buy on the console now.
Yeah, a lot of people do that. I've moved to that. Okay, yeah, that's a bunch of stuff I'd be interested in. Oh, Rocksmith, that's a good game.
I probably have the chord for Rocksmith upstairs too for the guitar. If it's not in this guitar bag. Don't know if those are even in there.
Yeah, I can take a look. Shape Up.
Yeah.
Guy looks like Chip Gaines.
I think that game is not to that, but it's
Yeah,
in the other
WarioWare
box.
Touch. And that one's blank. Brain
Question is,
Age.
where's
This is
the
Heart
DS?
Gold.
Yeah, any idea where that DS is? 'Cause I'm sure it has games in it.
Yeah,
I looked.
Heart Gold. That's that. This one's missing. This one's
That's
probably in the
in
DS. Diamond. Yeah, missing a couple Pokemon
Who
games.
knows?
WarioWare Touched. This one's.
This one.
Well, here, you still have this Pokemon game, so you want to keep. This one is
Who knows?
just
That
cases.
doesn't
So
have a
yeah,
box.
so these three, yeah. So I don't know. Yeah, I would be. Did you see
want me
that
to go
cord
through?
might be in there? Because I know that cord is kind of required to really.
What makes that game?
Yeah.
That's a tuner. That's just a regular cord. That's another cord. I'm gonna look up in the bin of cords.
Okay. Yeah. If you find the DS, I'd be interested in buying that too.
Have a look.
FIFA 15, Halo Master Chief, Forza 5, Shape Up. I'll get him to clean out all his stuff for you. Let's see this guitar he's selling.
As I said, your electronic bin.
Yeah.
Keep that.
Oh, I'm gonna have to call my brother about this. My brother's a guitar collector. Let me get my phone.
Yeah, and that thing. I think we played the game. Yeah. Just turned 2 on Wednesday and then due in 2 weeks. So
Well, congratulations.
And
Let me-
obviously this one's a boy.
Oh yeah, obviously he'd be keeping the clothes if he wasn't.
My sister's like, I hope they're not wrong. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, do you like that guitar? I texted you pictures of it. I know you're a guitar man.
Negative on the DS, but I
That's
found a
good.
box of Xbox controllers.
Well, text me back. Let me know what you think.
This is the cord for Rocksmith.
All right, bye.
And a bag
okay.
of Pokemon cards.
Hey, gotta catch them all. That's fun.
There's a Digimon, I think, sitting on top, but I think.
Yeah, yeah, Digimon. Oh yeah, you got it. Oh, my son would love a headset.
That's an old Turtle Beach. I'm pretty sure all the cords on it.
Xbox stuff.
I think they're all at Xbox One.
Yeah, that'd be good though, because I do have 2 Xbox 360s.
Oh, I think I have a 360 upstairs too, don't I? I have more stuff right here on the baby.
Yeah. So what do you think on this pile here with the Rocksmith
Make me an offer, I
and the Apple TV?
Make me an offer.
Make you an offer. Tell me if I'm too low. 25 bucks?
What about 40?
40.
Apple TV's probably worth 15 now.
Yeah, they go down in value quick, but I got an extra TV that I
Yeah.
could use it on. 32? Meet in the middle?
Sure.
Okay. 20, 30, and then I got 2 singles, I think. I was trying to text my brother because he collects guitars.
I can guarantee you that's probably the cheapest guitar you could probably buy at a store.
Okay, so he might not be interested.
not-
I don't know enough about like brands of guitars. All right, let me carry this out. I'm sure he'll text me. I just sent him the name of it.
Just put stuff out on the ground if it makes sense, like the back balls. The 3D puzzle
That's cool.
skull.
I'm back. I got tied up at that other one. He pulled out a bunch of other stuff. So
Okay.
I still don't know. I still only found the 2. There might be more though.
There's supposed to be more, but
Yeah. Deox kit. Memorex. What do you got on this?
5.
Ooh, a wand. That's cool. 5 on that?
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Rear seasonal.
Used by Harry Potter.
Yeah. That his official wand.
Repackaged.
Oh, is this a magic 8 ball?
Yeah.
Slime kit. It's got everything you need too. Saline solution. How much is the slime kit?
$2.
My kids would be mad if I didn't buy that. Alright, so I'm at 7. I don't know if you have 3 singles. Thank you. Alright, now I'm really gonna go. I swear, I'm leaving this time.
Fishing bag over here if you're looking.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm not really a fisher. Sadly. I did when I was a kid.
Yeah, same here.
Haven't done it since I was a kid, though. Wow, a lot of good stuff today, guys. This was some great sales, and yeah, making some good money off of it. Asking that guy if he had any games was a great move. He went up and he brought down some Pokemon and some DS and Xbox, like a whole bunch of stuff that I bought from him, and some Pokemon cards. And those were not Gen 1, but what do you call like the first edition? A lot of those were first edition Pokemon cards. I've already sold several of those Pokemon cards for like 15 bucks a piece. And that he just kind of threw in, right? There was an Apple TV in there that I've listed for 30. Pokemon Heart Gold just sold yesterday or the day before for $165. That's that one DS game, sold for $165. I wish he actually had Pokemon Diamond and the other one he had the cases for, but not the carts. I let him keep the cases. I kind of wish I'd asked for the cases too, because I found out you can sell just the cases of some of those Pokemon DS games for like $40. So I should have seen if he'd give me those cases as well, but whatever. I'm making a ton of money off that sale. The Pokemon cards, the DS games. I mean, it just, what else did I get? Oh, controllers for his Xbox. Yeah, so a bunch of Xbox games, and they were decent Xbox games, the ones I grabbed. I think they're, at least one of them is over here, Shape Up, Forza. Most of these were like $8 to $15. I think Master Chief was $15. So, I mean, probably gonna pull $300 from that one sale, that one box, and more, because there's one card, and I can't remember what it is. I talk about it a little bit on my NC Flipper channel. One of those Pokemon cards looks like it sells for like $150. Some holo from like 1995 or whatever the first year was. It's not in the best condition, so I might end up only getting $120 for the card. But needless to say, great profit from that one sale that I asked him if he had any games at. At the other sale, I bought some shoes, some Solomon shoes. I sold those already for $40 on eBay. I got a bunch of these things, which I'm comping out around $12 to $15 a piece. So I did a multi-quantity listing in 5 minutes, and I think there was 12 of them. So that'll be nice profit. They're not going to sell fast, but they should sell. What else? I'm going over to my laptop because I can look at my footage and remember what I bought. I didn't write it all down. And yeah, oh, I bought that Panasonic multi-disc changer swapper thingy, which is right up there. Not Panasonic, Kedwood. Yeah, that one right there at the top. That actually sells for around $60. And then those little carts that go in it, which is why I really bought it, because I thought those were cool. Those sell as well, and I think I have 9 of them. I listed the 9 of them for 50 or 60. So I'll get 50 or 60 from that, 50 or 60 from that. This bowl I got, where did it go? It's, hold on. That bowl there, it was chipped, and I didn't realize it was chipped. I realized it like after I'd already picked it up and said I wanted it, but I didn't feel like putting it down because I felt bad, because I know she wanted it gone. So I took that anyways. What else? Oh, cordless phones, listed those for $20, and looks like they sell for $20. And then I got a big thing of ink, HP ink, which I think also listed for $20. So all in all, a lot of great finds. Gonna make some really good profit. Make sure you subscribe to the NC Flipper and the NC Picker channel so you can see both sides of the transaction, the buy and the sale. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.